Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to add hashtags on X. So hashtags on X help you categorize your content, and also hashtags make your content discoverable to people who are interested in that topic. So let's open X application on my phone, and I want to start new post by using this blue button in the bottom right corner of my screen. And let me type hashtag sign, hashtag symbol, and immediately after it you want to type the word or phrase that you want to use, with no spaces or punctuation between the symbol or text. So it should be in one word. So if I would write hard reset, I cannot do it like this. It should be all in one. And let's tap on the hashtags that appears. And additionally, you can place your hashtag anywhere in your post. And you have to complete your post, and after you're satisfied and you are ready to post it, just press post button in the top right corner of your screen. And if I go to my profile, you can see that this is my post with my hashtag in it. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.